Hello everybody, my name is Gurhan. In this channel, I am going to give valuable information on AI for authors. This is the first of the 5 video series, and in this video, I am going to talk about why I am making videos about how authors can use AI. Whether people like it, hate it, or do not care about AI at all, one thing is becoming very clear. AI is not going away. You can dislike it, you can protest it, you can say people are using it badly, you can say some people are using it dishonestly. And in some cases, you may be right. But none of that changes the fact that AI is now part of the creative, business, educational, and publishing world. So, my position is simple. If something is already changing the world around us, I would rather understand it than pretend it does not exist. That doesn't mean blindly accepting everything about AI. That does not mean defending every company, every tool, or every use of AI. And it definitely does not mean saying there are no problems. There are problems. There are ethical questions. There are copyright questions. There are creative questions. There are business questions. But refusing to learn about a tool does not make those questions go away. It only leaves you less prepared to deal with them. So, that is one of the main reasons I'm making this series. Not to tell authors, well, let AI do your work. Not to tell authors, stop learning the craft. Not to tell authors, push a button and publish whatever comes out. That is not authorship. That is not the point. The point is this. AI is a tool that authors can use in many parts of the creative process. It can help with brainstorming. It can help with outlining. It can help with revisions. It can help with continuity. It can help with marketing, which is important. It can help organize ideas. It can help test whether a scene makes a sense. It can even help an author see a problem before spending days writing in the wrong direction. But AI is not the author. The author still has to make the decisions. The author still has to understand the story. The author still has to know what belongs, what doesn't belong, what feels right, and what breaks the work. That is the difference I want to talk about in these videos. I am not interested in the lazy versions of AI, where someone types a few words and expects a masterpiece. I am interested in the serious versions. How can authors use AI with discipline? How can authors use AI without losing their voice? How can authors use AI to protect continuity? How can authors use AI to catch plot holes? How can authors use AI to plan scenes, comics, campaigns, captions, blog posts, and story worlds? That is the conversation I want to have, because publishing is already difficult. Everyone knows that, especially the authors. Writing is difficult. Finishing a book is difficult. Marketing is difficult. Building a world is difficult. Maintaining continuity across multiple projects, it is difficult. If there is a tool that can help authors think clearly, move faster, and organize their work better, I think authors should at least understand how to use it. That doesn't mean you have to love AI. It doesn't mean you have to use AI. It does not mean every use of AI is good. But if you're going to reject it from knowledge, not for fear. And if you're going to use it with control, not laziness. In this 5-video series, that is what I want to show. How to track character knowledge, how to build a serious Bible, how to revise without losing voice, how to plan comic panels, how to turn one blog post into multiple pieces of content, how to test world building, how to check character motivation, how to use AI without letting AI take over. Because the point is not to make the work less yours. The point is to make your process stronger. Use AI, question AI, challenge AI, correct AI. That is one of the strongest points that I want to make. Reject AI when it is wrong, and always remember, the story belongs to the author. So, I am not making these videos to replace authors. I am making them to help authors understand the tools that are already changing the creative world. On that note, if you want more information and knowledge on how authors can use AI, visit my site. It is www.aiforintheauthors.com. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.